Ever wondered what makes tacos al pastor so irresistibly delicious? The secret lies in its unique preparation method and the delicate blend of flavors that come together to create this quintessential Mexican dish. Picture this: thinly sliced pork marinated in a rich blend of spices, slowly cooked on a vertical rotisserie. The aroma alone is enough to make one's mouth water. But the magic truly lies in the making. Step 1. The pork. Cut the pork shoulder into thin slices and marinate it overnight in a mix of dried chilies, spices, pineapple juice, and vinegar. This gives the meat its characteristic tangy and spicy flavor. Step 2. The rotisserie. Traditionally, tacos al pastor are made on a trompo, a vertical rotisserie. The marinated pork is stacked onto the spit, with a whole pineapple crowning the top. As the spit rotates and the meat cooks, the pineapple juices trickle down, infusing the meat with their sweet and tangy flavor. Step 3. The serving. Once the meat is cooked to perfection, it's thinly sliced off the spit directly onto a warm corn tortilla. It's then topped with a chunk of pineapple, finely chopped onions, fresh cilantro, and a drizzle of spicy salsa. And there you have it, a taco that is as visually appealing as it is flavorful. Tacos al pastor are a true testament to the complexity and richness of Mexican cuisine, a delightful blend of indigenous and Lebanese influences. In summary, the making of tacos al pastor is an art in itself. From the meticulous preparation of the pork to the careful assembly of the taco, each step is integral to creating the perfect bite. The balance of flavors, the spicy and tangy pork, the sweetness of the pineapple, the freshness of the cilantro, and the heat of the salsa, all contribute to the unforgettable taste experience that is tacos al pastor. So the next time you bite into a taco al pastor, take a moment to appreciate the culinary journey it has taken to get to your plate. And remember, the best food often comes with a story as rich and flavorful as the dish itself.